Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever wanted to meditate but thought your mind was too busy, too chaotic, or too loud, this video is absolutely for you. We're cutting through the complexity today to show you just how simple it is to get started. We're going to do a simple 5-minute practice together. Let's start by tackling the biggest myth right away. Meditation is not about emptying your mind. Your mind's job is to think. It generates thoughts all day long, just like your heart's job is to beat. The goal isn't to stop the thoughts, it's to change your relationship with them. Think of meditation as a mental workout. The goal is simply to notice when your mind wanders and then gently bring your focus back. That process of returning is the workout. You're training your focus muscle and teaching yourself to choose where you put your attention. To begin, you don't need a special cushion or perfect posture. Find a place where you can be still for 5 minutes. Find your seat. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on a cushion. Just aim for a back that is straight but not rigid. Relax. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw and let your hands rest gently in your lap or on your knees. Allow your eyes to gently close or simply soften your gaze down toward the floor a few feet in front of you. Now, let's begin the practice. The guided 5-minute practice. Let's start by taking 3 deeper breaths to anchor ourselves in the present moment. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand. And exhale fully out through your mouth, letting out any tension. Again, deep breath in. And a long, gentle sigh out. One more time, inhale fully. And release. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. We aren't trying to change the pace or depth of the breath. We're just noticing it. Bring all of your attention to the feeling of the breath. Where do you feel it most clearly? Perhaps it's the cool air entering your nostrils, or the warm air leaving your mouth, or the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. Let the breath be your anchor. Every inhale is a new moment. Every exhale is a letting go. Simply follow the journey of the air, in and out. In and out. It is completely natural for your mind to wander. It will think about your to-do list, or that meeting tomorrow, or what you're having for dinner. That is not a failure. When you notice you've drifted into thought, that's actually a moment of success. That's a moment of awareness, without judgment, without frustration. Gently release the thought as if it were a cloud passing by, and simply guide your attention back to your breath. Just breathing, just noticing, and whenever you get lost, just return. Be patient with yourself. Be kind. In a moment, we will finish this practice. Just before we do, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Notice any sounds in the room. one last deep, grounding breath. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this calm and focused awareness back into the room with you. Welcome back. That was a simple 5-minute breath awareness meditation. If it felt hard, know that you were doing it right. The key to meditation is consistency, not perfection. Your next step, try to do just 5 minutes again tomorrow. Don't worry about sitting longer. Just try to sit every day. Turn it into a daily habit, perhaps right when you wake up or before you go to bed. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more guided practices and spiritual tools. Let me know in the comments how your first session felt. I'll see you next time.